We'll guide you through how to reset AirPods 4. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to do this, perhaps you're running into a problem and so you want to go and try resetting them to resolve that. Or alternatively, what you can do is you want to go and sell them, and so you want to go and reset them for that reason. It doesn't matter, we're guiding you through this step by step, so make sure it's this full guide. And without any further ado, let's go and get started. So what you want to do is open them up, make sure both AirPods are in there like so. Then what you want to do is go and double tap on that green light. It'll start glowing white and beeping, double tap again, then again, and then it will go and start glowing orange, and you want to go and wait. Shortly, this will go and start glowing white again. Now what you want to do is come onto the iPhone where they're connected, or were, and open up settings. Go down, find Bluetooth, go and find the AirPods and press the I to the right. At the bottom, you'll see the option forget this device. Confirm the decision, and you need to go and confirm it again. That's it. They've now been reset, and what you can do is close the case and connect, or you could go and give them to someone else. Leave a like if you found this useful.